Hi everyone, me again. So we got a request of this one. They told me that this one kind of looks like clay, and they wanted me to go ahead and add these sparkles. So we'll go ahead and get started. Ooh, I honestly thought that it was gonna be like the sand one, but it's not. All right, let's give it a smell. This one smells good, but it has like that clay smell. It's not as stretchy, but it's very smooth. We have a few left to be open, so if you have any requests on which one to open next, leave us a comment. Don't forget to like it if you like these videos, and of course subscribe to it. All right, so now that we mixed it, we're gonna go ahead and add our little sparkles. Not too many. All right, I think that's enough. Okay, can you see that? Ooh, look at that. Let's get them all in. Some of them flowy. All right, let's mix. Ooh, look. From being, can you look at that? The video does not make it justice. It sparkles. Oh, can you hear the popping? This one does pop. It's not as stretchy as the other ones. It is very smooth though. And I think this has been the one that popped more. It does stretch out. It pops really good. I like how it pops. All right. Thanks for watching.